Hi lovelies and welcome in my kitchen. Today I have an amazing magical breakfast idea for you that does not only taste like golden fall sun shining through colorful leaves on a chilly autumn day, but also doubles as a good luck and success spell. Fluffy pumpkin spice pancakes with warm cinnamon butter. This video idea came to be in a collaboration with the lovely Ginny Metheral, a 4th generation witch from England who does wonderful spellwork tutorials and shares her knowledge of witchcraft and very interesting historical tidbits over on her channel, which I've linked you down below. She will introduce herself a little bit later on in this video. We thought it might be a fun idea to show how with 3 simple ingredients you can work different kinds of magic and how versatile different practices can be. Ginny will be showing you how to make a compelling oil for success and luck, and I will be doing a kitchen witch spell with you for a successful day and luck on your side. As the main components for our magical working, we chose 3 ingredients that should be easy to find for just anyone in their spice cabinet or the closest supermarket: cinnamon, nutmeg and cloves. The perfect combination for a good luck and success spell and a yummy fall themed dish. Let's look a bit deeper into the spices used before we get cooking. Cinnamon is an incredible versatile ingredient and comes with heaps of benefits and properties, both magical as well as medicinal. This antioxidant spice is amazing for heart health and to relieve inflammation. It lowers blood sugar levels and can also be used as a natural pain reliever, especially for muscle pain. It also gives you and your spell a natural boost of energy, cleansing negative energy and increasing sexual and spiritual powers is not all it can do. It is also widely used in success and luck spells, especially for short-term goals. Nutmeg is a spice that shouldn't be missed from any good luck spell, even though, as in many warming spices, it is also often used in love spells and spells regarding money. Medicinally, it helps with indigestion, detoxifies and strengthens cognitive functions. Neat, right? Clove is another warm spice and in its workings and benefits very much connected and similar to the other 2. It is not only a great bit of magic for lust and love, but also offers protection and gives strength and courage. Furthermore, it is said to help you strengthen your intention that you are putting out in the universe, making it more likely for your spell to work the way you intended. So if you or your loved ones have an important day ahead where a little bit of extra luck is needed for a successful outcome, this might just be the perfect breakfast to serve. This magical recipe is an amazing way to start off your day with that extra bit of magic power to help your goals along. And on top of that, it is the perfect fall treat with warming spices and a comforting smell to fill your kitchen with sweetness, love and a tingling feeling of a lucky streak. Your real-life Felix Felicis, if you will. As always, the exact measurements and ingredients are listed down below in the description box. We want to start by whisking the milk and eggs in a big bowl until they're slightly foamy. The more air you beat into your batter, the fluffier and lighter the pancakes will get. Then we add in some sweetness with brown sugar and some vanilla, which can be added as an extract in powdered form or by using the marrow of a vanilla bean. Now it is time to infuse our magical ingredients and add that nostalgic and comforting autumn taste to the batter. I add 7 cloves, with the number 7 being my personal lucky number, and grind them to a fine powder with mortar and pestle. If you use bigger salt corals for your pinch of salt, you also want to grind them now. Then we mindfully add the magic to the batter. Some nutmeg, wishing for success and possible financial blessings if that's your goal. The cinnamon, boosting luck and all other magical components. And the ground up cloves to strengthen your intention for success and lend you strength and courage throughout the day. Now, to infuse those pancakes even further with our magic, apart from the ingredients that we have used, You of course also want to use mindful intention. Pause for a moment and hold the bowl with both hands. Close your eyes and visualize the situation that you have to tackle today. Feel the positivity, confidence and luck building up inside yourself and picture that you are getting exactly the outcome that you are hoping for today. Try to imagine it in as much detail as possible. Do you feel it? Does it make you smile? Then now hold on to those feelings. Take your cooking spoon or whisk and stir those energies into the batter. Let them flow in a sparkly golden light until the batter is infused with all that magical goodness. If you have a hard time visualizing, you can, instead of creating an image in your head, just form positive affirmation sentences and tell yourself and the universe what is going to happen today. Now, we want to stir in the oil and add baking powder and flour. Combine it all and then add in the pumpkin puree. If you have canned pumpkin puree available, you can save some steps. But if not, you can easily make it yourself. All you need is a pumpkin. Easiest to use is a Hokkaido, since you don't have to peel it. The peel will soften enough when cooking. We want to cut it in smaller pieces and then cook it in a bit of water until the pumpkin is softened. We can check that with a fork. If it goes in easily and without resistance, the pumpkin is ready. We let the water drain away through a sieve and then puree the pumpkin until we have a smooth paste. If you don't have a puree stuff or kitchen machine, you can also mash it with whatever weapon you have available. Now we will quickly whip up the cinnamon butter, which can be enjoyed either cold or liquid and warm, poured over those fluffy pancakes. But it doesn't only go great with those. It also tastes amazing in sweet mashed potatoes, over corn on the cob, or on some baguette as a side to chili con carne or some goat cheese spread. For this, we need the butter to be at room temperature, so remember to take it out in time or heat it up a bit. We add a generous amount of cinnamon and honey. And if you enjoy the exciting taste combination of sweet and salty, definitely make sure to put some coarse sea salt in to give it that extra twist. We want to combine it all well with a fork or spoon. Now, while the pumpkins are cooking in the pan, I would like to introduce my lovely and witty collaboration partner Ginny Metheral to you. But let's hear it in her own words and with that beautiful English accent.
Hello people, I'm Ginny Metheral. I'm a 4th generation traditional English witch and I live in the southwest of England in the beautiful Devon countryside, literally in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of a wood actually, it's very pretty. Today's video is a collaborative video with the very wonderful Bex from the Witch's Cookery. We thought our viewers might be interested in seeing how 2 different witches create spells with the same 3 ingredients. And one of the easiest ways to put a success and luck spell together is in a compelling oil, especially with spices, because they lend themselves to that particular format.
Thank you, Ginny. And look, in the meantime, our busy house elves have already made an entire stack of pancakes for us. Doesn't that look magical? I can smell success in the air. Now, I would love to hear from you guys how you would use those 3 ingredients in a spell and how you would work your magic with them. Next time I will take you along in a witchy vlog, taking some time to cleanse and declutter from negativity and old energetic baggage to start a new chapter, fresh and lighthearted with the autumn equinox. Until then, I wish you a great day and may Fortuna be on your side. See you soon!